All right, let's get this thing opened up with our workout bottles. Let's get it opened up and see what it even is. That's the toughest Walmart bag I've ever seen in my life. So it is some kind of a griddle, square griddle. It looks like it's antique. Oh, it's a Lodge. So I can make out Lodge on the back side of it. So it's a quality piece of cast iron, beautiful piece. It's just got a little rust on it and just needs cleaned up and it needs reseasoning. So I feel like this thing's at the right place. Let's get it down in the electrolysis tank. Get it on and let's see how clean we can make this thing come. That's a little bit cleaner from the electrode. I might have a little more, but it is what it is. I think big. Okay, that's got us a couple of ounce. So we don't, y'all know we don't never make it get, I'd like to see it around 3 or 4 ounce, but we'll let it set for a few minutes and try to readjust it and give this new chemical the time to start working. So it's looking good. We got a couple of ounce on it. I think it's gonna do good. All right, let's get busy on something else. I'll keep y'all informed on the cast iron. So we start off our routine by walking a mile on the treadmill. And a mile don't seem like a lot, but a mile's exhausting. So if on the days that I'm only gonna walk, I'll walk 2 miles and do like some cardio and stuff like that. And I like to get my treadmill up to about 3 to 3.5 miles an hour because I've got long legs. I'm 6'1", and I try to get a good brisk walk. I'm not big on running because I'm 60 and my knees hurt, my ankles hurt, but walking's a different story. So I don't even try running or jogging when I can walk. With having a treadmill, it gives me the ability to walk on work days. So if I have to work, I get up at 4 o'clock every morning. I can walk on the treadmill from like 15 after 4 to 4:30 or a little bit later than that before I get in the shower. So there is 3.5 miles per hour, which is, for me, is a pretty good brisk walk. So this is how I start off my daily routine. On days that I'm not working, I like to go to the walking track. And the walking track is pretty nice too because the scenery changes. I can already feel my legs starting to burn a little, and I can already feel that my breathing is speeding up. And I've only walked 1/10 of a mile. So this is an exercise that anybody can do. It's not just limited to where you got a walking track or a treadmill. If need, you could walk back and forth to the mailbox. All right, so I'm going to move to the next exercise on the video, but I'm going to go ahead and finish my mile, and I may go ahead and get 1.25 miles because it's cool. It's cool in here, and it's comfortable walking in here. Right. For me to get 1 mile, which is right here, got a little over 1 mile, it took 16 minutes and 42 seconds. Now in that mile, I went from 3 miles per hour all the way up to 4 miles per hour, and I can feel it in my legs. So that is the treadmill. If we went to the walking track, we'd probably go ahead and walk 2 miles. All right, so let's go to the next exercise. So the next exercise I want to do are dumbbell curls. And there's a couple of ways that you can do it. You can do it sitting straight up, or you can do it on an incline bench. And we have an incline bench, and I'm going to show you how to do it on that. But I believe that you really get a lot out of just straight curls from sitting in an upright position. So I've got my weights, and the way you do a curl is you get your weight in front of you like that. And I'm gonna do 10 on each arm. Okay, so after doing 10 with each arm, that's called, I've done one set of dumbbell curls. I'm going to do 2 sets, but before I do the next set, I want to do a different exercise with the same weights. And the next one is called a hammer curl. The hammer curl works a different part of your arm than the just regular doing a curl. So a dumbbell curl or a hammer curl looks similar to this. I'm gonna hold the dumbbell out and I'm gonna point it straight back up to the top of my shoulder. And I'm gonna do 10 of these with each arm. Oh, okay, there's a set of hammer curls. So I've done a set of curls and a set of hammer curls. Now I want to do one more set of just curls, and I can already feel my arms and my shoulders burning. So I'm catch my breath, and I'm going to do my last set of hammer curls, and then I'm going to show you something else. Oh, 8, 8, 9, oh, 10, oh, and 10. All right. So there's a set of or 2 sets of regular curls and hammer curls, 2 sets of 10. Now, what if you don't have dumbbell weights? That's okay too, because there's other things that you already have in the household that you can use. And I brought an example of those right here. So if y'all want to work out with me, go get you 2 bottles of water. These are 16 ounces or a pound. And a pound starting off, it's not bad. I've got some 1 pound weights and some 3 pound weights and some 5 pound weights. So you can buy water bottles that weigh different things. You can buy the tall water bottles and literally drink the water out and fill them up with sand or something like that that's got a little bit of weight, and you don't have to buy dumbbells. You can use what you have at home. So if I were going to do curls with my water bottles, I would do the same way. 1, 2, sitting in a chair and exercise my arms. Because remember, we're not trying to be a bodybuilder. We want to be in better shape than we were. So I don't even know how many I've done, I've lost count. But know that you can use a water bottle to do the exact same thing that I've done with some weights on a bench. So now I want to do some hammer curls. So I can take my same water bottles. The thing you want to remember, and I know I did some, was you don't want to sling the weights, or you don't want to have to rock it or pendle it. When you're doing it, you want to try to control the weight on the up and on the down, and it does more good. Or everything you read says it does more good not to swing your weights. So I can do 10 hammer curls and I can do 10 curls, and then I can do 10 more curls, because I at least want to do 2 sets of whatever I'm doing. If you can lift 1 pound water bottles, 2 sets of 10 then you're doing good. You really are. The next time, or you do this for a few days with just the one water bottle, and then increase it a little bit. Maybe get a tall water bottle or a 20 ounce or a 2-liter Coke bottle or something like that. They all work the same. All you need is a little bit of resistance when you're doing your exercises. You don't want to just free arm. And if you don't have anything, free arm. Free arming is better than nothing at all. While you've got your water bottles, hold your water bottles out in front of you and cross them back and forth to your chest. Stella, get in here. So do like 2 sets of 10 of these, and I can already feel with just the 16-ounce water bottle, holding those bottles out directly in front of you, I can feel the resistance or the tension on my arm. So I'm gonna do 10 of these. Stella, what have you got all over you? Don't walk on that. Stella may have to come live with one of y'all if she don't straighten up and quit dragging stuff inside here. How are you so nasty? You ain't been outside 10 minutes. I wish y'all could see her. Come right here. Come right here and let everybody see you. And she's got a piece of pine straw stuck to both back legs. You would not believe how much better I feel or how much more energy I have by just working out and slowing down on what I eat. So in a different video, I'll show you the things that I eat. But I want to say this, if you want to get in a little bit better shape, and don't we all need to anyway, if you want to get in a little bit better shape, you're going to have to control everything that you eat. So for breakfast this morning, I'm going to have 2 scrambled eggs and a piece of toast. Well, that's almost like an egg sandwich. So for one person, I think that's a good bit for breakfast time. It's a lot of protein and it'll help you go through the day. Protein is hard to, it's hard for your body to process, so it takes a while. And while it's taking a while, you stay full and you don't want to eat a lot. For lunchtime, I'll have a sandwich or I'll have a salad with some chicken on it or something like that, something that's good for you and something to help you lose weight. Because one of our biggest issues is we're all chubby. Let's just throw it out there, or most of us are anyway. We probably weigh a little more than we should. And that extra weight on you is holding you back from doing a lot of things that you could do. Walking, by far, in my opinion, walking helps a whole lot for you to get some energy back and get some strength back. And like I said earlier, that if it's only walking back and forth to the mailbox, pick you out a number of trips to the mailbox and walk to the mailbox. And the next day, maybe go a couple of more trips and get up to a certain number that really makes you feel like you've not tired, but makes you feel like you've done something or you've used some energy and you're burning calories doing that. And if you've got some water bottles at home, use your water bottles to your advantage. Let them be something that's helping you lose weight like you want to lose some weight or get in better shape. So watch what you eat. So what I'm saying about that is this. It's time for you to put down the pie and pick yourself up. It's time for us to do a little bit better than we've been doing. All right, I hope you've enjoyed the video. And as always, life's an adventure. And this time, trying to get in a little bit better shape is part of the adventure. Stella, we gotta go give you a bathtub. I don't think she likes that. All right, life's an adventure. Don't get caught sitting at home. You should be out here in the barn gym with me trying to get in better shape.